up everybody? How you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2024 Spirit Halloween Barnaby the Bear. I have my girlfriend in this video. This was not originally a prop that I was planning on getting, but then it kind of moved up to my maybe list, and then it came out, and I was like, I have a 20% off coupon, and it brought it down to about like $220, which
okay.
I think that's not too bad for this guy.
Okay.
Especially since I got that coupon and it was something I was already considering, I was like, I think this is a pretty good buy. All right, so let's pop.
Pearl.
Come on, bro.
It's
Oh, she's shaking the whole thing. Alright guys, so when you first open up the box, you can actually see a lot of it. You can see the ball, which is actually very, very big. This is only half of it. So, very, very cool. I'm very excited to see what else is in here. So coming out first, we have this weird piece, which this is actually, believe it or not, what makes the ball move. So this guy's mechanism is very weird. It's basically just a regular body turn mechanism, but this also is connected to the ball down there, and that's what moves it to make it actually look like he's really balancing on there. Coming up right here, we have the clothing right. My girlfriend says that I say right here too much in these videos. So upcoming, we have the clothes, which people say are very awesome clothes in terms of quality. And I can totally see what they're saying. It feels just like Pennywise that I have. It feels very real.
Yeah.
It's actually just like my Pennywise that I have, where it definitely feels waterproof, so that's great. This guy should be good outdoors, which is good because most of my props do go outdoors.
Yeah.
The fur feels very real. It's not just like printed on there. It's real, like
yeah, like that's.
not real hair, but like.
But yeah.
You know what I mean. Artificial hair.
But like a blanket.
Yeah, it feels kind of like a, yeah. So yeah, he'll have his little tuxedo up here with his fur out there. It's gonna look very funny, but I think it'll be a really cool prop. This guy's gotten some great reviews so far. Right here we have a hand. So yeah, these will be up in the air, and then his feet are somewhere in there. But yeah, I mean, you can't really see the claws very well. They're kind of hidden in there, but still pretty cool. Speaking of the devil, we have one of the feet right here. Not as good a quality as that one. It's not blow molded, it's just a little bit of plastic in here. But there is some Velcro that'll probably stick on top of the ball, so he'll be bouncing on that. Right here we have half of the ball that he'll go balancing on. It's pretty cool. I think you do have to take these off. I don't really know why they're there. I think they're a spacer because the other side is just down there, so I am going to try and get that right now. So yeah, this ball, when it's all done, is going to be pretty massive, honestly. Right up here we have the shoulder frame, I assume. I think that's what this is, because there's the front and back like little things to put the forms on there. So I think this is the shoulder frame. Here is the other foot.
Oh my god. Ew.
Here is the face. Where the hell are his eyes?
Gimme.
Hold on.
Maybe just gotta like.
Yeah, maybe when they light up.
His mouth looks really good. Like really good.
Yeah.
Look at his mouth, babe. Look at his teeth.
Holy crap, it's latex.
Ew. His tongue.
Yeah, the mouth actually does have some latex in it. It's not just a hard plastic. Narayan actually said that the mouth looks very good. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it does too. It definitely looks pretty scary. Right here we have the hip loop. Right here we have the instructions, which I probably will be using in this video.
For sure.
Right here we have a back or front form.
Y'all see how he treats his props?
Bro, it's literally like a little bit of metal. It's not gonna just break. Unless this is like Fuyujing, however you say that company. right, or Party Time. Right here we have another hand. Party Time hasn't made any animatronics from Spirit this year so far, so I guess that's a win. All right, so right here we have H, another form, basically the exact same thing. Right here we have the mechanism, which I am not going to throw because it's very intricate. There's a lot going on here.
Yeah.
Not really sure what all this does, but we will figure it out and we will do it. Right here we have the adapter. We have some of the poles that are going to go behind him to actually hold him up right here, which they actually have wing nuts to keep him in, not snap locks. So that's pretty cool. Wing nuts. Is that funny? Like.
Yeah.
And finally, we have the base, which is pretty big. I'm not really sure what A is used for. Why is that there? But maybe it's like a balancer for the ball. We'll figure it out.
I think so.
Yeah, probably. But yeah, that is going to conclude the unboxing portion of this video. Now let's get to the setup. All right, guys, we got them all set up and ready to go. Naraya's gonna plug them in for the first time. All right, guys, so that was Barnaby the Bear from Spirit Halloween 2024, one of the main attractions. Babe, what do you think of him?
He's not a main attraction. He's like a background character, I feel like.
I feel the same way. I don't think he's like the best animatronic, but I also don't think he's the worst. I think, yeah, he'll definitely fit in with our display with the handstand clown, stilts, all those kind of like, and the sideshow balancing clown that will be coming later this year, and Dr. Payne the Fire Eater. He'll kind of be in that like, attractions area, not really clowns, more like carnival, you know, something more like that. But yeah, so this guy is $279. So just Dad, what was that? This guy is about $280. What do you think of that?
80 too much. 200. Okay.
I think this guy would have been better at more like a 220, maybe 230 price tag. 280, I feel like is asking a little bit too much for him. But if you get a 20% off coupon, which I did, it brings him down to about 220, which should be his original price. So I think that's pretty good. I think that's kind of the thing with Spirit this year and all the years in the past. They do it, well, you have to have a 20% off coupon, you know? Like, the price is good when you have a 20% off. So if you don't, then it kind of sucks. But yeah, this guy is pretty cool. I will leave a link in the description to buy him if you would like. I will also leave a link to the merch. Aim high, not low, never quit. Peace.